it is because of your support that we have reached the stage where the children have got the medals around their neck. A big thank you to our lifeguards who motivated the children, encouraged them and did not do it as a duty to teach them. They really motivated the children. And our dear children, we are very, very proud of you. Some of you is the third medal or the second medal, and you who are receiving the first medal for swimming, hats off to you for having the guts to go ahead. I can do it, I will do it. Other than sitting with cartoons and videos and mobiles and tabs. Make the best use of your childhood, of your youth, and receive the best in life.
Yes.
Thank you, dear children.
Yet another day and yet another Mandovi crossing. This is Niall's third. He's swam in 2024, 25 and 26. So all credit goes to the incredible teachers because they handholded them and they made them what they could achieve. And that boost was given by them, motivation was given by them. All the coaches were there, the lifeguards were supported, and you parents, without you all also would have been not complete because you took that decision of giving them that adventure. So we are very happy, ma'am. Kids came young at you are always rock, and my kids are in 4th standard. We wished this school was there till 10th standard. We hope you for the best.
Looking forward to it.
Our wishes are there. All the best. Thank you very much. God bless you all. Thank you.
Teachers, please come. Teachers stay. Great. One with the teachers, then the coaches.
Stephanie, to you finish?
Yeah.
Okay. Teacher Christine.
Big tired smile. Yes, it's getting over. It's getting over.
My name is Shaurya. I am 8. Crossing the Mandovi the second time was a great experience. Thank you for my principal, Verily, and my teachers to help me for this journey.
Hi, my name is Chris Costa. I am 8 years old and I have crossed the Mandovi for the 3rd time. I congratulate all the students which have crossed the river with me. I also thank my teacher, my principal, teacher Valerie Pinto, and Sir Ajay and his team for helping and supporting us. I also thank my family for guiding and supporting me for this day. Thank you. I am very happy for crossing the river Mandovi for the 2nd time. This has been a really great opportunity to swim for the 2nd time. I also thank all my teachers and my coach who has helped and encouraged me. Thank you.
What is your name?
I'm Gabian De Cruz.
Hello, my name is Nail Malgan and I am studying in Standard 4 at Kids Museum, which was 4. Swimming across River Mandovi has always been challenging yet fantastic experience, and this is my 3rd time doing it in 2024, 2025 and now 2026. I thank our principal, all the teachers and our coaches for helping us all to achieve the milestone. Their constant support, motivation and patience led me become confident to do it. It's really a great feeling. I'm super happy. Thank you.
My name is Adel Andrad and I study in Standard 4. I am happy and proud because this is my 2nd time crossing the river Mandovi. I would thank my principal, teacher Valerie, all the teachers, the coach and the staff who have trained us for this day. I would also thank my fellow classmates and friends who supported me in this journey. Thank you.